See, that is to be investigated.
Because on record, it is a dispute between you as advocate and your client, where there has been a non-payment of rupees 10 lakhs. That is what you claim, that your client did not pay you that amount, and the dispute cropped up therefrom, right? And the subsequent events that you are stating, you have to get that investigated. Right, sir? You have said that you have filed complaints before the concerned police station because the coordinate bench of Justice Kaushik Chando, as well as the division bench headed by the Honorable Chief Justice, have given you that option you had, that if there was any incident of you being threatened, you can file a complaint before the concerned police station. I believe you have done that. And if you have done that, let the police investigate. Let something be found out. Yes, sir?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, sir? Otherwise,
if he could give us
the
complaint which he has filed subsequent to the threat.
right.
We can get to that police station.
Correct.
And we can call for a report by your lordship.
Yes,
and
the state can provide us. State is represented? Nobody is there from the state?
Lordship, the thing is...
Sir, what you do is, as you are saying that whenever you received a threat, you have filed a complaint before the concerned police station. So you give us the
numbers.
As
a complete number.
The complaint numbers.
That doesn't matter. That is
the complaint numbers you give us, we'll ask the state.
If I may submit, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I want the protection first, Lordship, because, Lordship, it is the state's prerogative to whom to fabricate in the FIR and to make them arrested. One day, Lordship, I will be killed in my home. Then no court will be there to protect me, or nobody will be there, and everyone will be just laughing at me like the way the state councils along with many people are laughing at me. I know, Lordship, the thing is, a 15 months old charge sheeted case all of a sudden have been opened. What is the interest of the state PP to safeguard the accused rapist? Because if they charge me, I have been off, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I may be hurt.
We want safety. Now that's
Lordship, in this way, I have been encouraged to submit. I have not even able to submit
Your Lordship.
for 1 minute, and the other
you have to submit something
and
which is
the bike
order.
have been thrown away. You have taken away.
You have to submit.
How will I submit, Lordship?
Take away the mic from her. I do not know what.
This is the way she alleges.
Understand.
Your Lordship.
Speak to her husband. I don't know what she feels like, but I am just not understanding.
If I may submit, Lordship.
She blames everyone.
This is the reason, Lordship, I need protection. This is the reason, because I am standing alone. And, Lordship,
you need protection.
what proof I will give, Lordship? I am giving enough proof that a 15 months old charge sheeted case have been opened, and all of a sudden a counter case have been lodged with all depriving all the provisions of constitution and law, which is completely derogative. What I will do with registration of 10 more FIRs? Will I get the safety? Will I get the protection after registration of 10 more FIRs?
That you get safety. Why do you consider yourself to be so important person that you need safety? What is this? I do more criminal cases than you do.
Yes.
I never asked for safety.
Lordship, I am requesting that...
Madam, you have to...
Lordship, just 1 minute. Lordship, I had filed... I had filed a writ petition before the Honorable Supreme Court under Article 32, wherever the Honorable Justices Prashant Kumar Mishra and Honorable Justice K.V. Vishwanathan suggested that you go to your High Court will give you protection regarding that matter. That is reported, and that is within the order also. That's why she had withdrawn.
You had moved the matter.
Lordship, for that regard, in that regard, if your Lordship
You have
If your lordship does not feel fit that we don't need protection, kindly reject the same. I will go before the upper court.
Please.
Absolutely.
And Lordship, please let us submit our matter because it is our matter. We want our matter to submit because we know our grievances the best. We know what is happening to us, and I know that what has happened to me past these years, and after filing the particular Sandeshkhali petition, because I was the first PIL in-person petitioner from the state of West Bengal in Sandeshkhali matter. Later on, our learned senior counsels, many counsels were there. If I am being encroached my right to, speak up before the court, and that is the reason I went before Supreme Court, because High Court, I have been unable to move before High Court, because whenever I have come up, my voice have been encroached, I have been restricted, the way I am being restricted. Because Lordship, this is the fact and circumstances which I am bringing before the court. Lordship, it is not pouring my heart. It is about the legal consequences which I faced because I belong from the opposition party. That is the fact. That is the matter.
The place of politics. She is come for what? She is come for watching of that proceedings. First. Second, that will be applicable or not. Now, the question now, third is now, she is concerned about her safety. For the last 15 months, nothing has happened to her.
Lordship,
Has anything happened to her? Has she been able to say?
I cannot go to my own chamber. I have been ousted from that place.
what happened? What has happened in RT?
What they are waiting for to happen with me.
Not a place for political games here.
This is
not
not
a
the
place for
place.
political games.
But what kind of uncruelty is this, Lordship?
Please say
It was merciless, Lordship. I cannot expect this. I don't know what I can expect. But the thing is, Lordship,
First of all, madam, you have to understand that you are going beyond the writ petition that you have filed.
Lordship, the state lawyers.
You are going beyond the pleadings of the writ petition
may I
that you
request
have
one thing,
filed.
Lordship, I am only pleading whichever I have pleaded before Honorable Supreme Court past 3 months back. That only I am pleading, Lordship. Only that contention, because the same petition, if I submit the Supreme Court petition, which
Allow the judge to speak. You don't allow the other
May I
advocates to
Well, your lordship has appointed.
may
I would like to speak here.
may I request your lordship one thing?
Yes.
Kindly restrict it to the prayer portion. Hear us, and pass the necessary order.
That is what I mean, trying to say.
No, there is.
They
Let her
want-
submit. Let her
He
submit.
is getting transcended to another tangent.
There are 2 for prayer. One is quashment of the procedure. Second is deployment of CRPF personnel. Kindly hear me also. Kindly hear them also.
And then
pass
hear me
necessary-
and then
pass necessary order.
let her fix up a date, Bharat. Let her get prepared with all this.
Yes, sir. And not beyond the pleading.
Yes.
I have been asking her, I have been pleading her. I told her, and both the petitioners, petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2, that please restrict yourself to the pleadings of the instant writ petition. But they are bringing on matters which are not the.
Lordship, I am just requesting for.
And if you are apprehended.
Lordship, whatever Lordship you are telling that is outside the writ petition. If you can peruse through the writ petition that I have submitted that has happened due to this. That is within that.
You have come for the quashing of the complaint.
Quashing of the complaint and safety and security.
Chatterjee had to
Yes,
Six.
safety and security along with quashing. And the stay of the notification of the CID that has been taken. Kindly hear them. Hear me. All the parties.
All the parties are finished. Yes.
Finish it up. There is no point, this kind of submission, this is not permissible in court also.
The pleading. And what prayer you have asked?
Yes.
Sir, I have been telling them, I have been
Why is
requesting
your
them.
lordship losing your lordship's temper? Be calm and pass the order.
Where
So
you
that-
think I'm losing my temper? Yes, you think I'm losing my temper? That is what we are feeling. Because I am. My lord, may kindly fix a date.
Fix a date, hear us, hear them, and pass necessary order.
We'll finish. I can understand her apprehension. I can understand her trauma. She's everything. Sensitive. She's getting sensitive. But she, as practicing advocate, she should also understand that this court cannot go beyond the pleadings of this petition. Absolutely. She's not in a position to understand that. Well, let us come ready with the pleading and the limited prayer. I'm asking her to give the details of the complaints that they have filed. While they have been threatened.
Mother, the case study of that Chatterjee Hunt may be called for.
But today no one,
But I've asked someone from the state.
anybody from the
Mr. Nandi is coming. But Mr. Nandi is coming.
Lordship, I will humbly requesting before your Lordship that kindly stay that CID investigation, because witnesses are getting threat from CID and CID is sending notices at my residence at lawyer's chamber.
So this is the problem.
Lordship, CID has no jurisdiction. You kindly understand, kindly only address that issue only, kindly. For the first instance.
So we will hear out all the matters.
Because Lordship,
On the next day from 2 p.m., I will not keep any other matters.
Yes, but at 10:30, your lordship.
No. My entire day will go.
At 2 o'clock.
At 2 o'clock. Then the repetitioners, your part matters.
Yes.
And then their MSCC matters. So I'll keep it at 2 p.m. and then on that day there won't be any matters.
No, can I take leave? Can I take leave?
Yes.
Oh, why not give it?
When,
But not after 4th. From 4th is my last day.
not after, then 4th?
Yes.
4th will do?
Yes. Subject to their convenience, my lord.
4th will do?
4th of October.
Yes.
Lordship, little bit earlier next week. Can it
Next
be?
week will be problematic. I mean, for all of them maybe, Mr. Mukherjee will also be there. From 4th October from 2. And sir, I request both of you, I can understand that you have become too sensitive. Everything is there. But please restrict your submissions only to the pleadings of this writ petition. Yes, sir.
What has happened?
Many things have happened, sir. Many things have happened. It's kind of a maze that we are in.
Only in, prayer in.
The learned senior advocate, Mr. Mukul